In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tags in Klaviyo. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in the new Klaviyo interface and how to set up a simple, organized tagging system that keeps your account tidy and easy to manage. Let's start right inside your Klaviyo account. Look down to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your organization name there. Go ahead and click on that. This opens a small menu that's all about your account and workspace setup. From this menu, choose Settings. This is the main place where you can adjust how your account is configured, and it's also where Klaviyo hides the tag management area. Once you're in Settings, look for the option labeled Tags in the sub-menu. Click on Tags. This brings you to the dedicated tag management page, where you can see any existing tags and organize them into groups. If your account is new or you haven't used tags before, this page might look pretty empty, and that's completely fine. We're going to build it out now. On this tags page, you'll see two main options to get started: Create Tag Group and Create Tag. It's usually a good idea to begin by creating a tag group first, especially if you know you'll be using a lot of tags. Tag groups act like folders or categories that keep similar tags together. For example, you might later decide to have separate groups for campaigns, flows, segments, or even internal processes. Even if you're not totally sure yet, setting up at least one broad group can help you stay organized as your account grows. Click on Create Tag Group if you want to set up that structure. Once your groups are in place, or if you're keeping it simple for now, click on Create Tag. This will open a form where you can define the tag itself. Here, type in your tag name. Make it something clear and descriptive so that you and your team instantly understand what it's for. Next, select a tag group from the drop-down. This ensures the tag is stored in the right place and makes it easier to find later when you're working with campaigns, flows, or other assets. When you're happy with the tag name and the group you've chosen, click Save. Your new tag is now created and ready to use throughout your Klaviyo account.